Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, this is PlayStation 5. Okay, so we'll just service this one. This is the customer complained that the temperature is showing high. So the error is coming, your PlayStation 5 is too hot. Turn off your PS5 and wait until the temperature goes down. So this is the error. So what we'll do, we'll just service, we'll open it completely and we will service step by step. Just keep watching my videos till end. So guys, I have removed all the screws, all the 9 screws. So I put out, see dust is there, so we need to clean this all. See too much dust, see the dust over here. So we'll clean this now. We'll clean the brush. So now disconnect this one. So I removed this two. It's 4. Take it out this one. So this is the power supply. We'll clean the power supply board also. So we'll clean all with the air blower. Okay guys. So guys, we have cleaned this one. So now we'll fix it back. Okay. So guys, we have removed all these screws. These all are connected to the body, the metal body. Okay. So now we'll take it out this one. So guys, we'll take it out this one. So the same way we have to clean the other side also. Pause. So guys, now we'll fix all this screw. Okay, all this screw will fix.
So guys,
We'll fix this back now. So we'll fix all this screw now. So we'll fix all this screw. So guys, we have fixed it, all the screws, and we have connected the connector also. So now we'll fix this one. Okay. So guys, I have fixed everything. Now we'll fix it now, the top, the bottom cover. Okay. So guys, we have to fix 9 screws over here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay. So guys, we have fixed everything. So now we'll fix this drive. Be careful. Okay. Tuck. You can hear the sound tuck, then it means that it's okay. So now we'll fix the cooling fan. So we'll fix the cooling fan and connect the screw. That will be our final. Guys, we fixed it, we put it on, and we checked the FIFA is working fine. So our servicing is okay. Okay guys, so it's working fine. See. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, see you very soon next video. Bye.